Okay, this is going to be the fourth video, and we are on to question 2. Video 4. Question 2. I've done A and B. Now moving on to C. Right. So far I remember we worked out the radius. We made the radius the subject of the formula. We divided A by pi. Sorry. Okay, we divided A by, I'm sorry, something is wrong. It's the touch screen, and I'm dividing by, sorry about that. Okay, I'm dividing by pi, and then took the square root of that. That would give you the radius of the circle. And that's the reason we make different variables as the subject. It'll be useful in physics, in some part of science, and mathematics always requires this kind of skill, rearrangement. So please learn it. Right, so now this part is going to be the application of the rules we figured out, and this is the substitution once again. And to work out the radius, we got to divide the area, which is given 35 square centimeters, divide that by radius. If we couldn't remember, the radius was 6 centimeters. Now my question is, can I solve that without using a calculator? Yes, we can, but the thing is that we required basic numeracy skill. But with my classes, with any kind of classes in the contemporary sort of modern world, we are so used to using the calculator. Right. So working out the square root of 35 over 6 is not going to be easy without the calculator. So what I'm going to do, I'll pause the, right. Okay, so I used the calculator, and up to 2 decimal places, this is going to be 2.42. Rounding, you got to be very cautious. It's not 2.41, it's 2.42. And this is correct up to 2 decimal places. Right, if you don't have the calculator, what I would suggest, just leave the answer like that. In MCAT, I think they will accept that particular answer. Right. So we have completed number 2. And I think we have some time to work on the first part of question 3 now. This is question 3, solving an equation which is straightforward linear equation, y plus 8 equals 17. And if you are doing the backtracking, which is I want to find out the value of y, so I'm thinking of y If I add 8 with a y, that gives me 17. So on the backtracking, if we go minus 8, that'll give you 17 minus 8 is 9. So y is 9. This amounts to showing the working in year 10. But the thing is that if you do something like this, so I'm going to show you quick setup. So what do I do? That's a reminder. That's recall what you are going to do. Minus 8. So that will give you y equals 17 minus 8. And then on the following step, it will be y equals 9. See that? I followed row 1, row 2, row 3. So instead of making it total messy, algebra, we develop kind of skill of writing them clearly in separate sort of lines. So this is the recall, actually what we intend to do to undo this particular operation, which is plus 8. To undo plus 8, I have done minus 8. And now let me quickly show you the question 3 second part, and then I'll stop. It's pretty straightforward, linear. 5 lots of x equals 35. So what I need to do to undo 5 times x, 5 times x. So we got to divide it by 5 to get the answer. So right, so it'll be x equals 35 divided by 5. So x will be 7, and that's the answer. I'll show my working during the test like this. I'll stop there. I'm going to upload this video, and I'll come back to another video number 5 in a short while.